Push share and follow
Good
for
day,
more
fans
chemistry
out there.
lectures.
Once again, welcome. In my last lecture, I discussed on a solution, and right now we'll discuss about the types of solution. Basically, there are two types of solutions. One is standard solution. Standard solution. Two, a molar solution. We'll deal with them one after the other. Let's handle the first one, a standard solution. What makes a solution standard is because the amount or the quantity of the solute that dissolves in the solvent is known. In other words, it's specific. Now, for example, if 100 grams of sodium hydroxide pellets are dissolved in 1 dm cube of water, 1 dm cube of water is equivalent to 1000 cm cube. And 1000 cm cube of water is equivalent to 1 liter. So, if the 100 grams of sodium hydroxide or sodium chloride dissolves in 1000 cm cube of water, the solution is said to be standard. Now, the quantity of the solute that dissolves in the given solvent is described as the concentration. Therefore, a standard solution is one that has a known concentration. You can define it this way also. Standard solution is defined as a solution with a known concentration. In other words, the amount, the quantity of the given solute that dissolves in the solvent is known, is specifically known. Now, if a given substance is weighed about 100 grams, you can decide to measure 75 grams or 60 grams or just 4 grams as it pleases you. The moment you dissolve that amount of solute you have weighed out into an amount of liquid, then that solution is described as a standard solution because the amount of substance in the liquid is known because it's already calculated. For example, now, in the various ways we have, the food we cook, we don't weigh the amount of salt we put into it. But you cannot put the whole container of salt inside the soup. You use your eyes to gauge what quantity will be enough for the soup. And that's why after you have stirred the soup, you put salt on your left or your right pan and you taste it to know whether the salt is okay or not. In that case, you are imagining on how quantity of salt it should be. But in chemistry, we don't do that. We measure the specific amount, and that makes that solution become a standard solution. So, your ability to be able to know how to measure either the volumes of the liquid or the quantity of the solute that is required is very important. Because as a chemist, these are things you ought to know and be conversant with. Because as you go into the world, somebody might ask you to prepare another solution of a given salt, a given chemical salt, and you don't find yourself in the ocean. So that you'll be knowing what you are doing specifically at that time. So for now, I've brought this curtain. Like it, comment to share this video. Remember to follow me in this page as I give more lectures. Bye for now.